Get you the latest on JSW Steel, and the Apex Court has halted the liquidation of Bhushan Power and Steel, or BPSL. We caught up, in fact, with Sandeep Parekh as well, managing partner at Finsec Law Advisors, on the matter. Let's hear out what he had to say and what the management as well told us.
I think it's a very good measure from the Supreme Court because I think it was. I think the order itself was quite not just bad for JSW and the companies involved, but also quite disastrous for the entire insolvency process. And therefore, I'm glad that at least they've stayed their own order for the time being, which itself is a good step because usually when review petitions are filed, most people don't get relief. So I think it's a great step. I'm not saying that they're going to win at the end of it, but at least stay ensures that they don't need to unscramble the egg later.
The matter is sub judice and it's in the Supreme Court. So I will be able to give you whatever information I can. So one thing is that on the implementation of the plan, we have implemented the resolution plan as per the law and fully in compliance with the plan. That's number one. Number two is that we have revived the asset to where the asset is seen today with respect to volume and operational performance both. We have analyzed the matter with our legal advisors, and we believe we have strong grounds for looking at all the legal remedies, and we would be taking steps towards that. There is a process which you need to follow as per the agreement in the resolution plan, which had specified number of days. So it's a communication which needs to be followed. Basically, we have given that communication, also seeking more time to complete the entire process, and the legal remedies which we're talking about.
About JSW Steel, well, of course, Supreme Court has halted the liquidation of Bhushan Power and Steel pending the JSW review petition, and we also heard from the management. But Narendra, help us with your take on the whole news flow, because of late when this news kicked in, we have seen a lot of correction in stock of JSW Steel, but with today's action and today's verdict, give us some sense that what could be the next steps for the company, as well as what could be in store for the investors as well.
I think definitely the court case have added an uncertainty to the stock in the near term, and this is just a stay. So it's still we have to see how things pan out here. If you talk about the capacity, so this plant has almost around 12% kind of a share in terms of installed capacity, and was adding around 8 to 9% in terms of profitability. So if this comes out, then I think that kind of an impact JSW may have to take on. So almost about 9% kind of profitability impact would be there for the company. So things are still not clear, but definitely uncertainty for the stock. And I think we should see how things pan out, and then probably take it on this.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.